My name is Alexey, and I'm co-founder of RHIZOME platform, which is designed to accelerate professional knowledge exchange. And very briefly on our pitch deck. So we have a huge problem, and it is supported by numbers. Also, we have an inspiring solution to this problem, and we have an amazing design for solving this issue. Also, we have great potential on scaling our product. And our MVP is already built and got some traction. Also, I forgot to mention that our market is huge. It's about $1 trillion. And our competitors' map is 100% blue ocean. So we are providing something completely new to the market, and we are targeting to get a huge share of it. We're aware of how to take the money and from whom to take the money. Also, we have the plan on how we will be taking this money from some people. And about the traction, we have number one DEX on Tone blockchain, StoneFi as our client. The agreement came out early this week. In our teams, there are only big brains. Our colleagues from Cointelegraph, also people from Everscale, and we are selling tokens to spend the capital for the proceeds to scale the product. And yeah, so now when I got to the end of our pitch deck, I would like to share the demo of the product. And to see this product, you only have to have a Telegram account because our MVP is a mini app in Telegram. So whenever you are facing some exciting interactive lesson, you can just send the link to this in the messenger, and the other person doesn't have to download anything, but just to follow this link and open the app. So yeah, here is our product. It is a learning platform, but it doesn't have any video lectures, any podcasts, any textual information about how complicated the life of product manager, of project manager, or analytic is. It just has some interactive lessons, which are very exciting to play. And here are, for now, two lessons. The first is an onboarding lesson on how to use the platform, and it just generally teaches you on what are the key features and how to use them. But we have another special lesson for our early community, which is about Plumbus. So did you ever imagine to learn marketing management by playing a story in the universe of Rick and Morty? That is our key hypothesis on the future of learning. You can do the learning process in any conditions you would like to spend your time in. So the basic rule is you have to be engaged in the learning. And here is the example. So to start this interactive lesson, you have to hold on the toy. Before that, you see that you will have a special badge if you pass this toy completely and completely right. So I'll start the toy, and you have the context for the storyline. So you're basically taking part in some simulation of a marketing manager in the universe of Rick and Morty. And there will be hundreds of other stories in different decorations, like being a product manager at Metrics or being analytic at, I don't know, maybe some series, some Stranger Things. Okay, so you get the context that you're a manager at Plumbus Incorporated, and there is an issue. The sales are declining significantly right now. And you have to act further by tapping on your avatar and taking the option of continue. And you meet the first character, Big Head. The thing about each simulation on RHIZOME platform is that we are using ChatGPT to stylize every replica within the story. So these replicas are made with the power of ChatGPT by taking as an input just general scenario of a product management case. But restylizing this case makes it very immersive and exciting to continue. So I have the option to ask some questions about the case. Why did the sales decline? Maybe it's competitors' activity, or it's some production quality issues. So yeah, I have some options to continue our dialogue, and then I have to formulate my hypothesis. So the story is basically about the skill of hypothesis testing. You have to gather information, analyze it, and provide some initial hypothesis. if your hypothesis is right, competitor disrupted our market share.
I wasn't sure if you were going to talk about the terms that you're fundraising under.
Yeah. The terms are simple. We are selling 10% of our tokens for $300,000.
Gotcha. Fantastic.
Yeah. Why do you need tokens, and why do you teach project management only? What are the future ideas, to expand? And why only Telegram?
Okay. So the first is why we need token. All the payments on our platform will require tokens. So across the payments, we have subscriptions to access all platform contents, some services like job marketplace where you can request any job in any area of IT. And there are also exclusive avatars, exclusive models of the toys to build these toys. And this all require our token. We also have rewards system. So if community makes great toys, which attracts a lot of attention, we reward these authors with the tokens. And thirdly, we are planning to collect all professional related data on chain using some partner like Filecoin. Secondly, you asked why it's limited with project management. It is not limited with project management. We are focusing on management at IT at the first phase of the project to teach product management, project management, but then we will widen our area of learning. And also, we don't only have toys associated with some fantastical universes like Rick and Morty or Stranger Things. We are targeting as well just masters who are telling their professional stories about being a product management manager at Netflix or Amazon and so on. So our features are very adaptive to any storyline. It might be pretty bright like Rick and Morty, but it can be very professional, like transforming Netflix from selling DVDs to the streaming.
Thank you.
So as you
Fantastic.
described, your market,
go ahead.
market share is huge. So you was talking about 1 trillion, right? So I'm curious to know what is the portion of the market that you are targeting, and in how much time it will take you to reach your goal.
So our service addressable market is 10% of global e-learning market. And we project to achieve this goal by 2028, I suppose. And our nearest goal is to generate $18 million annually by 2026 by focusing exclusively on management in IT.
Okay. There's a question in the chat here from Alan Jin. Why would you choose mobile interface instead of devices with bigger screens?
Yeah, and there was a part of the first question about the Telegram mini app. We made it in Telegram because it's another key hypothesis on marketing. To make these bite-sized courses very viral, you have to get the access to play them, instant access. And Telegram provides this opportunity with its pretty new feature of mini apps. So you're opening this app inside the messenger. If someone plays Rick and Morty and tells how crazy this story is and shares his progress, his personal score, he can share it with as many friends as he wish, and any friends can play it as well just in Telegram. So that's why we are doing the MVP as a mini app in Telegram, because it's very easy to attain these wide audiences. And why we are not using the wide screens? Because our key positioning constant is that we are very easily played. You can engage in learning by when you're walking at the afternoon for 10 minutes. You just open your phone, open a simulation, and actually you can navigate the story just by your voice. You don't have to make text inputs. Just tell the phone what is your decision according to some character, and you will move on with the storyline. So it's very